What is the difference between a Yoothya and an Umrando? I am your host. Welcome to the show. If we look at Imran Khan's politics, we can divide it into two phases. In his first phase, he has followers in Pakistan and abroad. He was a popular cricketer not because of his skills but because of his personality. People were following him under the dazzle and halo effect. They mostly belonged to the middle to upper class, including retired bureaucracies and army families. If you talk to a Yoothya, they lack any logical and critical thinking, not because they have a low IQ but due to the halo effect. Their leader knows that his followers are under halo effects. He keeps on lying and taking U-turns because he knows that his followers are blind under dazzling effects, and they keep on following. I am very sorry to say, like a tamed animal. That is what Imran Khan thinks. If you listen to his speeches, what he is saying is, just look at me, not what I am saying or doing. I am very sorry to say, Yoothya, keep looking at him and not thinking what he is saying and doing, and somewhere in their mind is coming good to see you. Welcome. These are very famous words you may have heard recently. I know the current army chief is not in a halo effect because I think he is quite different person. He was doing his job honestly even when he was DGISI, but he needs to look around for good to see people first because they have the potential to become Umrando. I think Yoothyas are innocent than Umrando before we come to Umrando. We look at what the halo effect is. In simple terms, imagine you meet someone for the first time and you find them physically attractive. Due to the halo effect, you might automatically assume they are also kind, intelligent, and trustworthy, even if you haven't observed any specific behaviors or heard anything about their character. Essentially, your positive impression of their physical appearance creates a halo that extends to other qualities you associate with attractiveness. Okay, now you say what is wrong with my assumptions. Maybe you are right, nobody hurt, but if you start following him, especially a political leader, it can lead to an accident or mishap you just experienced in recent events. In the halo effect, you just follow blindly, and it lacks any logical critical thinking. You may have noticed that once a Yoothya comes out of the halo effect and starts to think logically, they do not and will not like to become Yoothya again. Examples include Faisal Wahida and many more.
Now we see what is Umrando. First of all, we see how Imran Khan became Umrando himself. Well, before Imran Khan, a dozen characters were formed in the establishment laboratory, but they were not perfect. But one thing was common: they all hit back at the creator. After the democracy pact between PPP and PMLN, Imran was brought in the establishment laboratory. After 10 years of extensive training, every power or trait was transferred in Imran Khan, including how to make people linked to treason, how to give an Islamic touch, and how to show himself to be very honest, and show his opponent that he is very dishonest, and how to wage a sixth-generation war through social media, and results were very promising. He destroyed his opponent like a pro, and his creator was very happy. But when he also turned against his creator, like his predecessor, he started making his own replica and started disobeying his creator. He is crossing every red line. Instead, he is saying, I am a red line. His creator probably knows that when he was ousted from power, he called his creator a traitor, Dirty Harry, and set fire to monuments of matter to dishonor his creator, like he did with politicians, and made himself untouchable through Umrandos, which can be seen in every organ of the government and on the road, setting fire to everything, including the army and sensitive installations. Here I must say that what Umrandos did on May 9th to set fire Quad-e-Azam House and break MYTR monuments was a crime against the people of Pakistan. Umrandos tried to dishonor the country of Pakistan, and should be dealt with iron hands. So now you may have understood that Umrandos are true copies of what was made in the establishment laboratory, and they are increasing. Youthias can go back once they are out of the halo effect, but Umrandos are most dangerous. And they can also use Youthias for their ill design. Thank you for watching.